Alright, so I've been putting this off for a long time now. You probably noticed maybe some of these other videos, or just by looking here, how worn the front tires are. And the front tires I've always had trouble with, leaks and stuff. I ended up putting tubes in the front because I basically got to where they wouldn't seal, and had to run with tubes. So these tires came on the tractor. I bought this new in 2006, and the tires are the tires that came on it. So got plenty of life out of plenty of wear out of those. I can't complain about them. But today's the day. I finally bought new tires there a week or two ago. Gonna get them put on today. I'm hoping they'll seal, like I say, because I've had tubes in these forever, and I'd had trouble with these sealing, and I just attributed it to the bead being wore on these, because I'd had so many flats and run on the ground on the rim. So anyway, we're gonna put the new ones on, see if we can get that to seal up good, and get these mounted up. So I'm excited about that. I wish that it was cleaner. I could wash it off, but when you got a nephew that just looks at this as a big toy and gets it out in the mud and don't clean it, you get kind of frustrated and don't want to do it. Going to make him do it. So Gav, whenever you watch this, you better be washing this tractor. It needs it. So anyway, I'm gonna take these front tires off and mount up my new ones, and hopefully get them to seal up good today. So let's get it. So you can see how pitted the bead on these are, and then there's no real lip on the bead to hold it on. So I don't know if that really contributed to me losing the bead on these a lot or what, but I'm gonna clean this surface up, and hopefully the new tires seal up really good. So probably just take a wire wheel to these or something. Let's get that done. Well, there's 40 pounds in it. See if we got any kind of leaks. Out of everything. So you know, leaks back here. Let's check the front side. Nothing. All right. Let's put this one back on and swap the other one out. Oh, we have some good traction now. I hate that those valve stems stick out so far. It had the little stubby metal ones on it years ago, and then I ended up having to put tubes in them, but this is the only ones I could find to buy locally. Was it Tractor Supply with the right diameter, and then they're just the longer ones, so they stick out a little far. You can see I'll probably end up catching them on something eventually, but they'll do for right now. And then if I do, I'll buy the metal ones, the little shorter metal ones. But yeah, should be good enough for right now. Let's get these things mounted. Yeah, that looks better. Sweet. Let's get the other side off here and mount it up. Now, you tell me how that was holding air. Look at the beat of this thing. How chewed up that is. I think I got my money's worth out of these. Got in a hurry and forgot to check for leaks. Don't see nothing. So glad to have those on there. These were, I want to say 200 and maybe 260 something bucks shipped to the house. They look like D stone. They're 27 by 8.5 by 15. 8 ply. Looks like the max load is 1,320 pound at, I want to say that says 50 psi, which I put 40 in them. I'll probably put a little bit more, but I ordered these from Walmart.com and they shipped out super quick. I feel like Walmart ships faster than Amazon here, so I'm sure that's not the case everywhere, but it was actually really fast. But yeah, time will tell how well they hold up, but they was cheaper than any of the other ones I could find, and like I said, they came real quick, so I'm happy with them. Yeah, now let's try to find us a project to try the tractor out on now. Hopefully I'll get Gavin up here to wash it this evening and shine it up, make it look good, and we'll find us some work. But on that, let's get on to something else.